Hello, my kindergarten artists. So this is going to be our laundry art challenge where we're going to try and make a picture of a flower using stuff we have from our laundry, like towels and shirts and socks. So I'm going to try and make a picture of a flower using some laundry here. So this is brown like dirt, so I think I'm going to lay this on the bottom here to be the dirt. And then sunflowers like blue skies. So I've got a blue shirt here. I'm going to put it like this to be the blue sky. Now, they need sunshine, don't they? This shirt is bright yellow. Maybe if I roll it into a ball, I have my sunshine. And then they do need some clouds with some rain. I think this gray washcloth would make a nice cloud. And some rain. This towel's got some cool little dangly things on it. So I think I'm going to put it right here from the cloud to be our rain. There we go. Now I need a flower. This shirt is green. So if I roll it up, it could be the flower stem and the roots going into the dirt. Now I need that center part. What color should I make my center part? Maybe I will make it red. I'm gonna put this to be my center part here. Now I need some petals. I think all these socks would be good for the petals, and they're all different colors, so I'm gonna have a crazy flower. And I'm just going to put them all around the center part. Let's see, is there anything else my picture needs? I could try and make a butterfly. I don't know how well that'll work, but we could try. Oh, I don't have a leaf, but I have a green washcloth. I think I'm going to fold it and fold it to make it little. And now I have a leaf. And, oh, that butterfly. Oh, I found another sock. That could be another petal here. Let's see, what if we use this colorful one to be the body? And then I fold this one up and then roll it so it's just a little thing and put it in the middle. There we go. Now I kind of have a flower, a cloud with rain, some sunshine in the corner there, a butterfly friend, and a crazy flower. So if you want to do this instead of drawing a picture of a flower, you can. Just go ahead and double check with your parents. Gather up some socks and shirts and clothes rags and whatever your parents will let you use, and go ahead and make a picture of a flower out of laundry. Have fun.